Alright, day everyone, welcome back to the ICT Technocrats. Now in this video I'll show you how to use this tool called Social Engineering Toolkit, also known as SETOOLKIT. So let's just go into this directory, just copy this and then type in cd Social Engineering Toolkit. Now once we're in there, we can just clear the screen and then type in ls. So remember, if you watched my Linux video, you know that ls is used to list down the directories. So now we will copy this directory called SETOOLKIT. So copy this directory called SETOOLKIT and then type in sudo python 3 and then SETOOLKIT. So this command is basically used to activate it. So once you do that, we just type in the password to our Mac and then boom, it's done. So we have officially activated SETOOLKIT. Now you can see there are a lot of options here, like social engineering, penetration testing, third-party modules. So I'll go for one, and then on this next one I'll go for 2, which is website attack vector. Now in this section I'll simply click on 3, but if you want you can read everything, but I won't really waste much time. Just click on 3. Then the next one here, you can read all these instructions if you want, but I'll be using the option 2, which is sitecloner. So you can see there's web templates, sitecloner, and also custom imports. So I'll be using number 2, which is sitecloner. So from here now, all you have to do is just go get your the IP address to your machine. So this is the IP address to our machine. All you have to do is just copy this. So copy that and then go back and then paste it right there. Oh, sorry, let me go back again. So let me go back and copy my IP again, copy this and then paste it right there. So once you paste it there, click enter. Now it's saying enter URL to clone. So we'll be cloning this simple web login form. So all we have to do, this is more like just a test, the test login form. So we'll copy the link to this login form and then go back to our terminal and then paste the link in our SETOOLKIT. Once you do that, click enter. So now you can see that it has cloned the login form. So now all we have to do is just type in our IP address in the browser and then it take us to a cloned version of that login form. So when you go there, type in http:// then the IP address, and then alright. Now once it reloads, let me just test it by, so this is basically the fake login form, the cloned version of the login form that I cloned. So now let's just try and type in username, something like James Doe. So this is very similar. In fact, it's almost the same as the phishing attack I did in my other video. So James Doe, and then the password would be something like New York 123. So let's just type in New York 123. Now once you do that, click login. You can see that Safari can't open this page, but when you go back to our terminal, you see that the credentials have been harvested. You see the James Doe, and then in the other one you have New York 123. So that's basically it. Thank you very much. Have a good one.